This is Celsius. They've just traded. I mean, it's traded 12 million shares today. Stock's gone from 100 to 28. Then now they're buying October 35 calls. So OC 1835s. They paid 132. This could be a volatility play or a gamma play. Sorry, this is super option scanner. They expire next week, guys, so I can't take them. But if you want to take them, trading Celsius right now, is my opinion, is kind of like trading the Chinese internet names. It's moved up so much fast, so much. I wouldn't want to take these. I couldn't make money. Who knows? RSI is 53, so it's not overbought, but I don't know. It's traded 12 million shares today. If I looked at the average volume of Celsius, the average volume of Celsius is probably pretty low here. So let's go to stats. And the average volume is, maybe it's in profile. It's not in profile. Should be in stats. Summary. Where is the average volume? So they usually trade 6 million shares. They already traded 12 million shares today. So it's already traded 2.0 times its usual volume. So I don't need to participate in this. I just think these things are crapshoots. If you're buying something that's up so much, you know, thinking it's gonna have the next leg higher, I don't know. I think the people trading Celsius today are not, you know, volume and order flow, so I'm not gonna take it here. Meta, the 595s are on a buck. I think they're maybe interesting here. I didn't participate in these, but those are interesting. CVS moving up, HBAN moving up, CHGN moving up. I have a target here at 6 for 2 contracts. Biggest loser of the day is SHLS. 30-40 here, and then 15-20 here. Seven minutes into period. Session 2. JP Morgan. No, thank you. I did put a Wells Fargo position on for $100. $100. That's all I've done today. Did not get filled in Unity, so I'm still technically in Unity puts. EL calls have an offer out. CVS calls have an offer out. CVS calls have an offer at 205. COF, Capital One Financial. Capital One Financial. So I made money yesterday. I'm down money today. It's kind of the cookie crumbles. Probably pretty flat for the week. Futures are down 16, and I'm down about 1270. I don't know. It's plus or minus. We've been light on signals this week. RSI, we had nothing today. So RSI, nothing for the week. So today is Thursday. So Monday was the first day of the week, which was the Stevens. Personal portfolio, we don't have any trades on. Personal portfolio is now up on the year, so I can just show you guys some of these. So we have my S&P versus the P&L, and pretty flat for the week. I don't have the 8th in there. I don't know what I did in the 8th. RSI, we haven't had a trade in a little while. Alvich, personal portfolio is now up on the year after having some losers. 6 to 7 trades have been winners. Market will be open on Monday, so you'll get AK on Monday. It's not a federal holiday. Alpha Shark signals, we are going to have ATOS go to 0. And then we have H-band up to a quarter. So that flipped that one around. Alpha Shark Plus, EL's 10 cents. FLNC is probably 60. So all portfolios are up year to date. Glow, CHGN back to up to about 550. And Glow's probably down a couple pennies here. Glow, 112. Super Option Plus, our best portfolio of the year. And then CVS, another winner. Superior Option Plus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 last 12 trades have been winners. This is our best portfolio of the year. 10 out of 10 is probably the hottest portfolio. Best, considering it's only been a month. We have ads, and then we have bonus trades. We had that nice winner in TIGR, obviously. HE is back to, that trade is over. So SHLS is still on. Maybe these are 20, maybe these are 5. Put this in here. 415% in about a month. So Monday you will get AK, but tomorrow, I'll probably be around, but I do not run the room. CLH, I think, is a crapshoot if you buy anything today. Futures back down 18 now. ZS trading here, small. Oh, ZS. Chilling here, waiting for an order, guys. I can be patient and not take a trade as much as I want. TNDM. Oh, Tandem. That's that Tandem stock. H-band, I have a target offered out at 30. CHGN, I have a target out at 6. Close to getting filled here in CHGN. Churchill Downs. SHLA is now offered at 35. I'm not going to pay 35. They paid 35 yesterday. I had to pay 40, unfortunately. The market's closed? No. So maybe some markets closed, but it's not a SIBO holiday, as you can see here. Yeah, it's not a SIBO holiday. Next day off is the 28th. And then Christmas, and then New Year's Day, and then MLK Day. When I was at Agora, they would close the trading room for like a week. They would close the trading room for like a week. DDOG, weekly 128, $2. VIX is really high. VIX is 21. I have no idea why the VIX is 21. I'm going to move my CHGN calls up to 650. I don't need to give these away. Man, maybe the bond market's closed, but I don't trade bonds. SPY straddle, at the money calls, at the money puts. For today, our straddle, the 576 straddle, is 20 bucks. So implying futures could be down 36 or up 5. Between today and tomorrow, set 576 straddle, 42-point move. So 20 today, 40 tomorrow. Those are your implied moves. The day the music died. CLH, guys, on here. APPS, January 3.5. I actually am bid for some other APPS calls. So these are January 3.5. And Digital Turbine. I'm already bid for the 4s. On the 4s, I'm 15-cent bid. So the 3.5 trade here. I'm going to put a resting bid here at 35 in APPS, guys. So I'm not going to take it. This is Digital Turbine. I'm sure it's got such a small ATR. So I'm going to go 35. I'm going to leave a resting bid in here. So resting, good to cancel order to buy the APPS 117 2025 3.5 calls for 35. So if I get filled here at 35, I get filled here at 35. That I do not care about. So I'm leaving a resting bid in there, guys. You can always leave a resting bid in. That's a good to cancel order. Every morning I do wake up and I make sure to see where stocks are moving. I can move things around accordingly. So this would be a GTC order, guys, a GTC order. Good until it cancel. A GTC order, guys, a good to cancel order. A GTC. So the market is open on Monday. Next holiday will not be till Thanksgiving. So APPS, I have a resting bid in. APPS, I have a resting bid in. In the APPS. CVS, I have an offer out of 205. CLH trading here. BEK trading here. Shaking a baby now, shaking a baby. Wow, this next session was slow. But that's okay. It's a refreshing time. Sometimes you're like, when it's slow, it's not a bad thing. First solar call is being bought. Weekly 220s and first solar. Weekly 220s and first solar. Why did I say FYPR? I bought some for a dime. That's an accident. Oh, I'm not trying to buy these for a dime. I'm trying to sell them for a dime. That's weird. Oh no, I'm not trying to buy these for a dime. Cancel replace. That's weird. Oh, was it? I was trying to buy these for a dime. I'm sorry. FYBR guys, I'm trying to buy some calls for a dime. I actually got filled on a couple. Frontier Communications. I actually call it a signal net if I get filled in all of them. 1015. FYBR guys, FYBR. Nova calls. I'm 10-cent bid for these. I'll take some for 10 cents. So this is FYBR. 10, 11, 15, 20, 24. 40 calls for 10 cents. Offer would be 15. So I'm resting bid in here, guys. I'm a resting bid in here for FYBR. Resting bid in for FYBR. Resting bid in for FYBR. ZIM, I'm going to cancel my bid here. Futures moving lower. I was 10-cent bid in ZIM. I'm going to cancel my bid. Wonder where silver futures are today. Let's look at that. Silver's futures price is $32.45. My buddy said it's going to go up to 37.5 by the end of the year. It is not so far. PayPal trading here small. PayPal. Futures on the lows, down 20.5. CLH. Meta calls down to $1.24. So good. I didn't think I didn't call it Meta as a signal. Small, small, small. Wells Fargo. The Wells Fargo. The Wells Fargo. 3 minutes to play, guys. 3 minutes to play. APPS have bidded under the market. Unity have puts offered out. SLH offers out. Bids below. CVS have calls offered out. FLNC, I have a bid under the market. No quarters. FLNC was it $1.20, $1.22. Two minutes. EL higher. CVS higher. Groupon trading here. Hims down. Glow down. CLH, the amount of stock it's traded today is unbelievable. 14 million shares. 14 million shares. 1 minute. 1 minute. Minute. If Glow gets crushed today, I'd buy more Glow calls at like 70 cents. Let's put a 70 bid in for 4 contracts. Dell higher today. NVIDIA higher today. SMCI down. KWeb down. Intel down. Baba higher. Apple down. Meta down. Those calls in Meta are down to 120. Nike calls down to 4 cents. Oops. I messed up. I shouldn't have bought those. All right, guys, that is it. My session for today. Brian will take over. Brian will be running tomorrow, too. If you guys have any questions, always email me or Evan for anything. Thanks so much. I appreciate all of you. Namaste, and I'll see you guys later.